Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the "you lost connection to your PlayStation 5" error code on the PS Portal. And what basically happens is that the PS Portal just disconnects, and in order to stop this from happening, the first thing that you guys have to do is make sure you go to settings, go to settings, go to network, go to system, go to remote play, and make sure you have enable remote play activated. And then the second thing you guys are going to do, go to power saving, click on features available in rest mode, and click on stay connected to the internet, and enable turning on PS5 from network. And once you do that, go ahead and just restart both the PlayStation 5 and the PS Portal. And you can do that by going over to power from here and simply just click on enter rest mode, or restart PlayStation 5. And once you do that, you guys should be good to go, and this error should stop from happening. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.